India is rethinking how air power is delivered, not by adding more fighter jets, but by expanding what existing aircrafts can do. A new project, the Airdrop Canisterized Swarm or ADCS, aims to convert transport aircrafts into long-range standoff strike platforms. This is a shift from platform-centric warfare to distributed autonomous combat systems. ADCS enables transport aircraft such as the C-130, C-295 and C-17 to deploy canisterized drone swarms from standoff distances. This means no need to enter contested airspace, reduced risk to high-value aircraft, and greater operational reach with the same fleet. It is a shift from penetration to projection. System architecture, how the swarm functions. At the core of ADCS is a layered autonomous architecture. Each canister carries multiple swarm munitions, typically 6 to 8 or even more. Once released from the aircraft, the canister stabilizes and opens mid-air. Individual drones disperse into a coordinated swarm. The swarm establishes communication and task allocation. Each unit is capable of autonomous navigation, target search and identification, and independent strike decision within mission parameters. With speeds of 350 to 400 km per hour and payloads of around 30 kilograms, these are not reconnaissance drones. They are precision strike assets. And critically, they are designed to operate even in global positioning system denied environments, with a targeting accuracy of less than 5 meters of circular error probability. This gives the system resilience in contested electronic warfare conditions. Range is where ADCS delivers strategic value. With an operational reach of over 500 kilometers from the point of release, the system enables true deep strike capability without airspace penetration. This creates multiple advantages. Aircraft remains outside enemy radar and missile envelopes. Targets deep inside contested territory. Strike missions can be sustained with lower risks. It also enables simultaneous multi-target engagement. A single aircraft can deploy multiple canisters, each releasing multiple rocket drones, creating a layered attack across a wide area. In effect, one sortie can generate dozens of independent strike vectors. ADCS is part of a broader shift towards swarm warfare. India's own CATS Alpha program follows a similar concept but with key differences. CATS Alpha is fighter-led short-range and optimized for tactical engagements. ADCS is transport-led, long-range and designed for deep strike missions. The ADCS project is not just about capability, it's about scale. Developed under the Make-II framework, it emphasizes indigenous design, development and production. With a projected requirement of 1,000 to 2,000 units, this is intended as a mass deployable system, not a niche solution. The ADCS project marks a clear shift in India's air power doctrine, from manned strikes to autonomous systems, from single platforms to distributed networks. Because in the next phase of warfare, it may not be the aircraft that dominates the sky, but the swarm it deploys.